doing that, you're gonna exacerbate your note again. Alright. I don't want that to happen because I got plans for you, buddy. I got fucking big plans for you. On the fucking lead fucking vocals, my favorite employee in the entire band. The guy that's been working for me since 1981, when he was only 35 years old. Make some fucking noise for Mr. Michael Starr!
Goddamn, hey man, nice fucking shirt. I just want to thank you for buying a brand new merch shirt. And everybody that's wearing them, thank you very much. And thank you for smoking weed all the time during the show. And just to let you know, if you get too stoned after the show, we're going to be selling cocaine by the merch booth. So make your way over there. I want to give you a quick rundown of what goes on in this band. Yeah, the first thing that happens is I wake up, I get stoned, then I go wake him up, we do blow together, and then we write fucking heavy metal tunes.
That's right,
I play guitar, make some noise! For Sancho!
So fucking glad to be back in Vancouver, dude. I've said this before, and I'll say it again. It is my favorite city in the entire fucking world. I love it here.
You said that it was Seattle because I'm the big.
Shut up, asshole. Shut up or I'll give you a fucking free Botox injection. You're fucking lit, okay? I'll tell you what, dude. What I've said is I love Vancouver. It's a beautiful city. As a matter of fact, today when we got here, I saw some of the most beautiful pictures online of your city when I was in the backstage area. It was amazing. Also, the girls here are not just beautiful, as you can see, but they're also very easy to fuck, as you well know. It's probably why you're here tonight. They're gonna be digging the new penis on this fucking guy, I can tell you that. Speaking of a fucking guy who's got a fucking penis that is unintimidating, if you want to suck this fucking guy's dick over here, you can taste some of the pussy he got in fucking Europe just a couple months ago.
Thank you.
Because he hasn't showered since then. One of the foxiest fucking bass players in the world, ladies and gentlemen. He just got out of sex rehab, and I'm happy to say that he can now have sex without hurting gerbils. On the bass guitar, make some noise for Mr. Lexus.